here. The love-hate relationship continues. Let's start with the love, shall we? I won't bore you too much with the hate until the end of the video. So if you're interested in the drama that comes with this box of goodies that No. I am filming with my doggos today because I'm the only one home and they need to be watched like children. Anyway, I received an email from Dior saying Dior Beauty's live stream masterclass featuring the new Rouge Dior on stage. So it is their first, it says you're invited to Dior Beauty's first live stream masterclass. Sounds lovely. So anyway, I thought, you know what? I might join that. I can do it at the comfort of my own home, 7 o'clock at night. So anyway, it said register now to enjoy exclusive pre-launch access to the Rouge Dior on-stage collection and a Dior Beauty Makeup Discovery Kit and Pouch. Remember those words. Exclusively available to live stream masterclass attendees. Exclusive. All right, so of course, that's got me. Exclusive makeup discovery and kit and pouch. I'm in. All I have to do is attend. And of course, there'll be a purchase. All right, so I attended. Let's have a look at what I purchased. You had to spend a minimum of $250. So it sort of came up on screen. Minimum spend $250. Go check out now and you'll receive your special gift. No codes, no nothing, just do it now. So I'm like, easy. Let me get some stuff. All right. So as I were going through the masterclass and she was teaching and showing and all that, the products were flashing, coming up on the screen. You could click on them and you could shop. It was actually quite well done. I'm going to say that. So I thought I would try some things that I'm a bit interested in trying. And I grabbed this. So this is the Skin Bronzer. I'm a bit partial to a creme bronzer these days. So I thought, you know what? I love Dior makeup. I cannot tell a lie. I do. So I got this in light medium. A try-on video will come soon, I'm sure of it. So I got that, very excited to try that out, light medium. Then I was a bit curious about this. I've never tried it. I did receive a mini and it went dry on me, but this is the primer. So this is supposed to prime your lashes before you put mascara on. So I just thought, I'm not sure about it. So like, I want to see what it does, because I'm like, does mascara really need a primer? And does it help it last longer? Does it help you keep your curl? Like, what does it help with? So anyway, I was a bit curious about that. So I thought, oh, look, I'm going to try that. So then, of course, I had to get some new mascaras. And not just black mascara. Look at that packaging. This is pretty. This matches my Lady Dior. I have a black Lady Dior with silver hardware, well, chrome hardware, and it's beautiful. Look at that color. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm in like natural lighting, so I don't know if you can like fully see and appreciate this color, but look, this I think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of. This color is 971 Over Plum. And then I got this one. This is a little fun. Again, same packaging, but look at that pink. Oh, so pretty. Look at that color. It's just so vibrant. This one is in 840 and her color is Over Pink. I don't know about the over. I'm not sure where they're going with that. Are we over it? Or is it like over, etc., extra? I don't know. Anyway, they were my purchases, okay? So that came to like just over $250, $260, $280. It wasn't much over the $250, but I made the gift with purchase requirement, minimum spend. Oh, I also got, you know, samples. In these, though, I got a tiny little lipstick. Just the $9.99 satin. Everyone who has ever shopped at Dior has got one of these lipsticks. Tiny little red lipstick. I have a trillion of them. Anyway, and then I just got your usual samples. Okay? That's boring. You don't care about that. So then also I received this. So this is the gift with purchase pouch. Empty pouch. It's empty. There's nothing in it. So there's no makeup discovery kit. So I'm like, what's that about? Like this, and this isn't even a good quality pouch. Like, I don't know. Like it doesn't feel, it's just got some like, you know, the rubbish in it. But there's nothing in it. You know? Well, where's my makeup discovery kit? So I'm a bit disappointed. I'm like, what the hell? And then I also got these. They came in a plastic, but I've already taken them out to have a look at them. Is this like some exclusive gift? Like, it makes no sense. Like, if I had to spend over $250 and this was the special gift, I would not do that. Like, these aren't even like a collectibles thing. Like, these are cheap shit. These are plastic. They're stuck on with glue. Like, you can see, like it's just sort of stuck on. And they're not for like keeping your hair out of your face when you do your makeup, because these would absolutely 100% crimp your hair. So if you've just done like a blowout or you straighten your hair or whatever, and you've tried to put this in your hair to hold your hair back, you're getting a crimp in it. And like, I've got really thin hair and that would not hold nothing. Do you know what I mean? And I wouldn't wear it out. Like, it's not like, I don't know. So not really sure where they're going with this. So yeah, I don't know. Like, and in America, this is something that that just comes free with when you purchase anyway as a white member. So that's your first. As soon as you sign up and do a cart, you get these. So I did that. I did that a couple of weeks ago. So I don't know if there's like a new gift now, but like these are just like, this is nothing. Where's my discovery kit? So anyway, a couple of days after that, I then got an email saying, thank you for joining the masterclass. We hope you enjoyed it. And then it says your exclusive masterclass gift awaits. So it said, shop the feature collection and redeem your exclusive Dior makeup discovery kit and pouch, available for a limited time only. Sign in, add a minimum $250 and then add this code. So I was like, okay, I will. So I thought, okay, I jumped online. I added $250 worth of products to my cart. And then I tried to use the code. Code didn't work. So now I'm just like, it didn't say anything online about a code when we were on the actual masterclass. It just said purchase over $250 and you'll receive it. So I don't know why I didn't get the makeup discovery kit. I got the pouch, but not the kit. That makes no sense at all. Anyway, I've emailed them. I've sent them that information and I have asked the questions. Get a response. I will update. I'm sure there's some loophole or something that I've missed that said that they've gone, oh, no, you've missed out on the makeup. You only got the pouch. Or there'll be some bullshit. I'm sure of it. And I would have missed out. And I don't even know what the discovery kit is because it doesn't show you. It doesn't show you pictures of it. It doesn't show you what's in it. It doesn't show you anything. It's a complete mystery. So I would kind of think you'd want to know what your $250 special gift is going to be before you go ahead and do that. Anyway, Dior don't seem to think so. So that's my little bit of hate for Dior at the moment. They've kind of, I don't know, my whole thing is just heading. They piss me off. I've got a the Father's Day event coming up next week. I will be going to that, getting my husband some aftershave that he loves from our doggos, and we'll see what's happening there. They have gift with purchases, and it'll be something for the husband. We'll see what that brings. Oh, by the way, my name is Sarah, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, like, comment. I want to know, did you get the invite? Because it doesn't say it's an exclusive invite. It's just an invite. So I think it was open to like every member. And yeah, so I want to know, did you get the invite? Did you attend? Did you get an email about re-watching or maybe watching it at a later date? Let me know. And if you watched it, did you purchase? Did you get the discovery kit? So interested to know what's in that discovery kit. And yeah, and what do you think? What did you think of the masterclass? If you did watch it, would you watch it? It was for free, so you know, it's an hour out of your day for free to watch some makeup getting put on. I don't know. Anyway, it is what it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Oh, if you're interested in any of my other Dior and why I've got a bit of a with Dior, I do have other Dior videos up. Go check them out, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao. Bye.